chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them kicks, keep the setup clean. Apex funded, wrist tight, I'm in. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run D, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Yeah. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Wake up chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them kicks, keep the setup clean. Apex funded, wrist tight, I'm in. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit,
All right, let's do this.
RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run D, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Yeah. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY
Just getting ready. 1 second, guys.
chat lit, whole squad on the line. Wake up chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them kicks, keep the setup clean. Apex funded, wrist tight, I'm in. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run D, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. RB plays,
Metals are moving.
start to fly. TRADEIFY flow,
We got 2 minutes till the open. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How we doing, chat? Oh, what a day yesterday, huh? What a day yesterday. I did survive. I posted the P&L, posted a recap. Hopefully we could do better today. Today is going to be not a short stream, but definitely shorter than some of my longer streams because I am going skiing today. I have uncle duties to take care of. I hate going skiing now on the East Coast. Well, not East Coast, but in the tri-state area. So I'm only going because I'm gonna have to. So whatever. It's nice out, so I don't mind. All right, 1 minute to go. Make sure RB is set. RB is set. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 fundeds, 3 evals. And yeah, let's see. Should probably trade more fundeds, but got some payouts that we got to take care of today. So let's get after that. I'll talk about it in a second. Okay, so we have 820 here. So gotta be careful with the long. I don't know if I like the long. Okay, got it. I wanted to get above that candle, but I got it. Did I pass one eval? Almost. Very close to passing one. All right, so another win with the ORB. And now we move on to... It's the easiest money made on freaking real. I didn't trade my one account. Like this account was getting a payout. I just got to flip it. If I would have traded it, would have made additional $400 in payouts, but I didn't want to risk it. I did that last time and unfortunately got destroyed. So I didn't want to do that this time. Big rejection there. That's what I was kind of afraid of. But now we move on to another account. Let's trade the same account as yesterday. See what we could do. We also have Phidias that we got to get to pay out. So $150 on Phidias. Flip Apex. And that gives us like, I don't know exactly how much on Apex. 6,367. Okay, I like this so far. A little choppy. We need that. 6,000 minus 4,600. So 1,700 on Apex, 1,800 on... I need to make $27 on Apex. Do I ever trade before the open? Not really. I don't even wake up on time. How did PPI do today? Wasn't there PPI? I don't wake up early enough to trade before the open. I wake up early enough. I don't get up early enough. There's a big difference. Waking up and getting up to me is two different time zones. Anyone else is like that? Anyone else likes to chill in the bed? Okay, taking a short here. I have a big loss to start. It doesn't work. Actually, not too bad. I am not going to take too long to flip long. After yesterday's craziness, I'm not going to wait too long to have a long bias today. Come on, a little bit more. Can we get a little bit more? Did I have 15 points? Yes, I did. Got greedy there, chat. Damn it. Oh, why does greed always punish me? Come on. It's gonna take 15 points. If I could get it now. Nope, can't get it now. Damn it. So hard. I'm gonna rip higher. Come on. Before you rip higher, just one more push down. There we go. We got the 15 points there. I'm just gonna rotate accounts. I'm not gonna go crazy with trying to get big P&L. If things are not going too well, we're not gonna force it. I get a green trade on the account. Moving on. All right, I like this. I like this. This is not a crazy move like we've been seeing. So a little bit easier to manage, I believe. What a difference between today and yesterday. But I like this. I like this a lot. Be patient. Again, I am going skiing today, so hit that like button. We will start a giveaway at 200 likes for Apex. Jeffrey, what's going on? Long time no see. Very slow market. Do I want to short this 920? Might give it a try, and then I'm going long 880s. I might flip my bias to long slowly here. We broke the lows. There's not a lot of momentum to the downside. But we didn't hold yet, so let's see. Too much snow here. Yeah. Feel your pain. I am going skiing today, but I'm going skiing because I kind of have to. Not because I want to. But it's going to be a good time. The only thing I don't like about this mountain, it has a gondola, so you have to take off your skis every freaking time. Hate that. You don't get to sit on the chairlift. And the parking is horrible. So I'm going there before school gets out, because after school is when it gets packed. So I'm gonna try to beat that, and then they'll join me. The kids will join me later with my sister. So I'm going as a chaperone, basically. My nephew likes to be a little crazy, so my sister can't keep up with him. Where you just stand and put something under your butt? No, those are like baby lifts. We don't have those. Those are like baby hill lifts. I know what you're talking about. That's how I started skiing in Poland. But that's only small mountains, and big mountains don't have that. I forget what it's called. Ski. You're talking about one of these where you like you hold on to this and you go up. That's how I started skiing. Yep, in Poland, same thing. Well, if you ski one time in your life, you're gonna hate it because it's not gonna be fun. Okay, 20. You gotta get good enough on it to like it. If you the first time, it's never fun because you're just falling, and it's like going to playing golf. Like you're not gonna like it the first time you go. And skiing is a little different. You can't practice skiing. There's nowhere to practice. You gotta go to the actual mountain. You're gonna move to Colorado. That is so expensive. I would never move there. Too cold. All right, we are breaking lows. Session lows. We did bounce of 80s. Kind of hesitated there. Gonna see if we could test that one more time. Okay, a little trap. That was beautiful. That was beautiful along there. Freaking A. You just blew all your accounts. What happened? The market hasn't moved that much. Well, I guess this is 120 points. Never mind. Doesn't seem like a lot, but. Long off 20. And out for a nice 17, 16 points. Let's go, chat. 2 for 2. We haven't had 2 winning trades all week. Well, at least it feels like that. All right, so let's trade our take profit trader now. I think this is the most important account to get some payouts. Actually, let's do Phidias first, because then we could just focus on. Once I get 150 bucks here, then we could focus on take profit. At the end of the day, that's the most important account. And I wouldn't mind making a little bit more than what a squeeze. Do you guys notice something here? Didn't we break these lows? Didn't we break these lows on Apex? And take profit? Look at this. We literally broke these lows into the 80s. But on Phidias, it doesn't show that. Oh, okay. I was going to say. Okay, I'm long of 80. Might be a big range today, so see. Not good right now. Oh, I got it. Let's go. I was texting. All right, so secure the payout there. This is day number 10 on the Phidias account. Well, it's day number 10 of this payout cycle. So I am going to go live with Phidias, I think. Yeah, so this is day number 10. And I've had this account since December 8th. So I've traded it for a lot of days already, as you can see. Just a solid account, nothing to complain about. And like having that, first payout reached and then just got to make 150 bucks a day makes it super obtainable to get that payout. You're not going for more. Yeah, there's no buffer. There's no buffer on Phidias. That's what makes it great. But you got to trade for 10 days. And for a day to count as a trading day, it has to make $150. So if you don't make $150 in a day, doesn't count as a trading day. So it's not easy, but I like it. There's no other rules I have to worry about, so just make money. I take a scalp and I move on. See, I've done all work for Phidias. Now I move on to take profit. I hate that I gotta redraw these lines every single time I switch a prop firm. That's another reason why I wanna get Apex 250K accounts so I could just copy. So this account, if I pass it, I need $3,000 more to pass. If I pass this, this is going to be the leader account for everything. So I'm just going to use this account as a lead, and then any other account I want to trade, I'm just going to add that account to the copy trader. So this will lead, and then whatever account I want to trade will be basically a follower of this, and I'll just keep switching that instead of switching the prop firms and whatnot. So that way it's all in one chart, and I get my setups, my lines, everything stays. Do they do rise payouts? Yes. They have a wallet system as well. So right now I keep everything in my wallet. And this is what I'm gonna move to. I'm gonna move this to a live account here. You can see that. You could do rise. You could withdraw, I guess, as well, and then send to live. So I'm gonna send it to live. Maybe not all of it, but some of it, and see what we could do in the live. Because a live account is basically another daily payout account, which is what I want. A little choppy, but I actually like it. I might even buy this 80 again. To get that payout, baby. Come on, let's get the first 300 bucks out of the way. Boom. Such a better day today than the last couple days with the crazy volatility. I trade much better on price action like this. Yeah, I just gotta pick up because my dad broke his hip, and the dealer's calling because we never picked up his license plates. I gotta tell him to just mail them. All right. Let's see what we got here. My friend created a cool app. I'm gonna definitely make a video about it. He asked me, what do prop traders need? And I'm like, we need an easy app on the phone to keep track of our payouts. And he got it done. Oh shit, we could do a giveaway. He just sent me codes. He sent me 5 codes. That'll be pretty cool. But it's an easy app to like keep track of your, like if you want to go in detail, you could do your expenses and all that, evals, you know, your balance and evals. I wouldn't keep track of my evals, but keeping track of payouts and expenses would be nice. See, big wicks here. Wouldn't really want to see it sell off all the way down, because if we do, then I don't know if I like it. Let's go, Tyler. Let's go. Let's go. That's what it's about. Base hits. I got him a lot of base hits today. I'm happy as well. I wish I was copy trading on day like today. Just think I got 5 trades in a row. Securing those payouts. Securing the payouts, baby. Let's see what the month is looking like right now. Be 18, 27, 27,500. So we would need 2,500 on Take Profit Trader to get 30,000. I don't think that's smart to push for that. Because this would be today's payout. This would be today's payout. And then I already have 300 on Take Profit, but we're going for 1,000. Oh yeah, Sean, because you're trying to get to a payout in day one. That's how Take Profit Trader makes money. Don't fall for that trap. Don't fall for that trap. I'm gonna order some eggs. Actually, no, this place makes eggs too well done. I hate that. I need, when I do over easy eggs for breakfast, I need them runny. I can't have them like too cooked. Like, I don't want a hard boiled egg in my home fries. Ooh, bouncy, bouncy, bounce. When does DJ Alpine start? Yeah, we got, unfortunately, that stream is like blocked in a bunch of countries now. Don't want to get in trouble, guys. We need to, maybe we need to fire up a Twitch stream as well, so we could play music on that side. Because you could play music on Twitch. $9.20 short would have been just fine. But that bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich yesterday was good. Maybe I'll just get that. Squeeze incoming. All right, good bias today, guys. Good bias. Switching to long bias so far has been the right decision. Because of that trap here, and we ran the lows and there was no volume or no continuation. So not only these lows, but also these lows from yesterday. And this is where I got my longs on Take Profit Trader yesterday. Made $1,000 here. So I made like $400. Then I made another $400, and then a couple scalps. Yeah, today's a green day so far. It's not jinx it, but I do have to go skiing today. So stream is going to be a little shorter. We will be doing a giveaway, so hit that like button. Would love to secure $1,000 here on Take Profit. These 940s, 950s have been rejecting for sure. A flush into 820s would be really nice. But even 880s, I mean, we continue the trend higher. I wish I had more take profit trader accounts, but I'm not resetting. One reset costs like 10 evals. You would have to fail 14 times for the cost of one reset. Because a reset of an eval is $100 and one eval costs $200. So 200 plus, so that's one chance. And then you have 13 more chances. So you have 14 chances to pass a 150K eval. And I don't think it's going to take that long. Plus, I get free evals. So for me, it's only $100. I get 3 free evals. We gave away one this month. But I could reset them for $100. So I never, the benefit of being a streamer on Take Profit Trader is that I don't have to ever buy accounts. I just have to reset them, if anything. Reset the evals, I mean. But that's how we also could do giveaways, because they give us the account. So I give away the 50Ks. So it's 2 50Ks and 3 150Ks a month. If the month is good in affiliates. It's not always the case. But even without that, it's not that much difference in cost, because we have to pay for activation, right? So we don't get like free eval plus no activation. I pay for activation once I pass. So the cost is the same, except the cost comes after you pass. How do I get that deal? If you're an affiliate with them, and you do a lot of sales, you get it. I didn't get it for a while. I didn't do enough sales. Code Alpine helped for sure. When I used to have my old code, ALP, it didn't really get me there every single time. I'm gonna try this other diner maybe. What a squeeze. I don't want to get in front of it. To add bacon, it's $7. Are they out of their mind? What kind of scam is this? What's gonna make a difference in this? I don't have a Red Bull. Bastards. Fried chicken and pizza. Very fun Friday. But they don't have Red Bull, so I'm not ordering from there. I need Red Bull too. Maybe I'll just skip breakfast today and just get something on the way to the mountain. Get lunch. Well, that 980 short worked really nicely, but I kind of just didn't want to get in front of it. But I might, if it rejects again, I might take it. Because now we have a little fork set up. Strong. For sure it's strong. I don't know if I like this short under 80 anymore. Tag me in. Come on. A little more. Needs to lose it. And they should be fine. Nah, I'm gonna take it off. It's probably gonna work, but I'm gonna take that off. Yep, there she goes, bastards. Damn it. Damn it, chat. There was a target. Ah. Frustrating. Frustrating. Because that could have been a nice win. right, does this place have... Damn, no diners carry Red Bull? Come on. Alright, gotta do the bagel place again. What a sell-off. Damn it, chat. I screwed up big time. Where did my name come from? Skiing. I used to ski a lot, and I'm going skiing today. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Ah, that was the trade right there. Not sure for was that halfway mark. It just took a little too long, I guess. Okay. Ordering my breakfast. Just a bagel with butter. Am I happy with QUANTOWER? Yes, I have no complaints. I really don't have any issues with QUANTOWER. Obviously, not having a mobile app. Having it set up on one computer and then trying to use it on another computer kind of sucks. So there's some obviously cons of it, but I think overall I have no complaints. For actually trading on it, I love it. Well, TRADEIFY is a platform, but also it's the feed. Okay, so it's QUANTOWER is dependent on the Rhythmic feed. About to get filled here, I think. Yep, we're in long. Come on, that was so close. I was literally like one tick away. I could see the spread. There we go. Damn, could have been one trade away from securing the bag. Oh, does it work like that, Clyde? My issue is that I have like on this machine I have 3 monitors versus on the laptop I have 1, so the settings wouldn't work. Damn, right back up to 980. What a beautiful bounce. Gotta love it today. Gotta love it today. Much cleaner day today than all of the week combined. Oh, I like that, Clyde. Okay, that's a good idea. What I do is I log in remotely from my laptop into my PC and I just stream this screen. There's really no lag, so I don't mind doing that. I literally just stream my I hate closing QUANTOWER. I run QUANTOWER basically all week without shutting it down. Because if I shut it down, then the P&L on the stream is gone, and I got to redo that, and I'm just lazy. I would not be opposed to longing it one more time of 20. You must have a lot of RAM. Yeah, I have 64 gigs. I have pretty much, top of line is very discretionary and up to you, but to decide what that is. But I have a very powerful PC. The only thing that's not maxed out is my graphics card. I have a 5080 instead of 5090. But my processor, when I bought it, the computer was the best at the time. Obviously, RAM, there's different types, I guess, but I know I have pretty fast RAM. Is it? I thought NinjaTrader was a resource hog and QUANTOWER was pretty light. But I guess when you keep it open for a long period, it kind of downloads all that data, right? So it kind of needs it to like, I guess that's how RAM works. Just not really feeling shorts right now. But this 980 short right here could be a good idea, maybe. Yeah, just run it up so I don't think about it. Just go. Yes, there you go. Don't let me even think about it. Oh yeah, I use like a regular laptop for trading. Well, it's got a graphics card actually. It's got a 4060, I think, in it, or 4050. So it does have a 4th gen GPU in it, and this market is giving me. Oh man, it's gonna make me enter, isn't it? Okay, pretend I'm in the trade now, and I have my stop at break even. Oh, trade would have won. Damn it. Nah, I run my QUANTOWER like sometimes for 2 weeks in a row, 3 weeks in a row, and nothing happens. But then when I have to restart my computer, it takes 20 years. Well, that was a nice short there, but just missed out a couple good trades. Could have been done for a day with take profit. Could have just focused on some evals or some other PA accounts. I got bull knocks I got to trade. We don't have any holidays coming up, right? Till March 13th. The first payout I could get with bull knocks is March 17th. So I would have to request on the 13th. I'm going to try to run it up a little bit on bull knocks first. Get a cushion. Did the cost of RAM go up? I thought that was a joke. I saw a meme. It was like a AI video of I guess AI is making it go up. It was a video of like a horse ski jumping. And this is the reason why RAM costs so much. I do have some RAM I could sell actually. I always thought RAM wasn't worth much. I feel like I always paid like $120 for RAM. One time I got free RAM. I went to Micro Center. I was buying a bunch of things and the guy never scanned the RAM sticks. Hey, I didn't realize till I got home. I was like, this is a lot cheaper than I thought. But I was buying basically everything for a PC. So, you know, I was like, oh, I guess my math was off. But nope. I feel like this thing is the coolest PC. The Mac Mini, it's so tiny. It's like a little cube. It's only $500 and you can run everything on it. Just too bad we don't have a lot of options for. The hell is this? The hell is this? Is that a PC? Wait, I just got a trade. I had an order out there. I just made $300 looking at PCs. Let's go. One trade away from securing that bag for 5 days in a row. Well, we didn't really get full $1,000 on Today we're gonna listen to jazz music, guys. Don't tell me this doesn't hit. It's almost as good as yesterday. Supposed to be a record scratch. Oh. I forgot I don't have the sounds on my computer, on my headphones. I muted it. I had no idea I was in the trade. I always have the sounds in my headphones. But I forgot that I even placed that trade. Remember I said, imagine I was in the trade, now it's going to stop me, I'll break even. That was the trade, and wasn't expecting that. Let's see what RAM I have. So where would it be? About my PC would have that? I have 4,800 speeds. Is that possible? That can't be 48 hertz, can it? 4,800 hertz? That would be terrible. That's like 2012. Don't believe that. All right, my bagel's here. Yeah, I bought this PC not too long ago, last spring, summer, sometime around there. I never fully set it up. I still have my older PC behind me. I still use it. I basically just trade on this computer and that's it. And I play games, obviously. Play Battlefield and I play Call of Duty. I would love to play, that's not possible. I would love to play Sim Golf, but I would have to run. Hold on, guys. This is getting spicy. I would have to run like a crazy long HDMI cable. This wouldn't work. But there's got to be a way to make it work. They do it with servers. I have a computer friend. He's in Cali, but he flies in twice a year, so I'll have him take a look. He bought this computer with me. I got a steal on this computer, by the way, because we were going to build a computer, and this came out to a lot cheaper. And we don't know why. It came out to a lot cheaper than buying it individually. I saved like $400. I paid like $3,000 for this. I don't even think it was 3,000. Forget what it was. It was like crazy. I was like, I'm taking this right now. I kind of wanted to build my own, but every time I build my own PC, I have issues. All right, I'm gonna go get my bagel. If I miss this, it's gonna be the most expensive bagel ever. You gotta cut out the carbs. What did you do? Wow. How am I supposed to cut out carbs? It's 10:30. We got like an hour, maybe hour and a half. So hit that like button, guys. We will be doing a giveaway for Apex. I'm not taking that short. Yeah, no more pizza for me. But golf guy Mike, I wanted to. I don't understand. Why can I hit the golf ball one day and next day I could hit it? Like, it doesn't make sense. I took a lesson on Wednesday. It went pretty well. I was able to hit the ball really well after the lesson. And then yesterday, couldn't do it. It's like the best I could ever hit my 7-iron. And I don't know what I did different. I need to film in 60 frames per second. I want to be able to hit like that every time. Yeah, so like the problem with my coach, every coach has been different. I tried 4 different coaches. But the coach on Wednesday was like complimenting me on like shitty shots. I'm like why is he saying this is good? He's like, you're new and you hitting like this is great. I'm like dude, I just hit a 7-iron, 120 yards. It's not good. So I want someone that's gonna be like good. I would spend a lot. I'll pay $1,000 a month for lessons for 2-3 months. I pay even more. But find me a good coach. I want to really like get someone from YouTube, someone I like on YouTube. Well, 980 worked again, guys. This 980, we could have just kept milking it. Well, no, I'm talking about, I took lessons earlier. in the fall outside. But yeah, I don't want someone just collecting their check and, you know, plays golf as their hobby. I want to have a good foundation and someone tell me what I'm doing wrong, not me telling them. It's like, what should my stance be? Where should the ball be? Like, tell me everything. Got a a proposal for a campaign for ATAS trading platform to make a video on how much it would cost. I'll do it for $179,000. I think I'm moving, guys. I'm gonna before I launch my course, I'm gonna move and I'm gonna buy this house. Watch. Wait, can I see on this? This is crazy. This would cost where I'm from. This would cost like $10 million. Let's see, come on. We're gonna buy this house. We're gonna make content. Honestly, it's not even that nice. Oh, basketball court. We could turn that into a putting green. It's crazy a house like this could cost. Unless the picture makes it look a lot bigger, because it doesn't look that big in the backyard. Yeah, 2 garage doors and what is this? No, it's got 4 garages. Look at that. Oh, so the house is not that big. It's just the 2 garages on the side. Oh, 5 bedrooms. Makes sense. They just made it look like a palace. I mean, it's 4,000 square feet. Oh wow, look at this. I wish I could buy something like that cash. Actually, no. I like these type of houses. My favorite type of house, actually. But they don't have those in New Jersey. It's very clean. We don't have that kind of house in New Jersey. This has got to be in the middle of nowhere in Texas, though. Guaranteed. Yeah, it's right by Mexico. Like, some of the names are actually Mexican. Like some of the towns. Mexico. Yeah, Texas is huge. We're pushing again. How was your session last night, Pine Tree? Yeah, we rejected pretty hard. A little risky here, but I'll take it. Come on, baby. Oh, God. Thought we had it. Thought we had it secured. Still a chance. There's still a chance. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Still need like $50, but I think we could get that. The trend that is forming has you doubting, but in what way? You have a channel. Are you afraid of longs or so you think it's gonna go lower? I'm not sure. I feel like it's gonna stay in the range. So to get $1,000 from TPT, we need to make another $40. And to make $1,800 on Apex, we need to make another 20 or $34. It's a lot to risk for a little gain. But I will I'm gonna long it on eval. Every level. See what happens. This is just eval, so if it gets there, it gets there. $1K a day is 365K. Well, there's only 250K, 250 trading days in a year. So not 365. Yeah, it's like those memes. You tell your wife that you made $2,000 today, and she's gonna be like, "Oh wait, so you make 60K a month?" Niels, you know what I meant. No, Nick, I actually drove the Porsche day before the blizzard. No, not day before. I went to actually, yeah, I went to get a car wash. I drove it a couple times. So this was the blizzard at my house. That's my DJ van. Got like 3 feet on my deck. It's all melting slowly. Do I have a picture of my no. I took it out twice. My strategy just 15-point trade. Wait, oh, okay. I was like, wait, I'm in the trade. That's on that eval. Let's see if it would have worked. Yep. 920s long would have worked, guys. Let's see. This is where I don't get aggressive enough. Once I secure my bag, I don't push. And that's what something I would like to get better with. Because today things are going well, but we're only one trade away from ruining it. So I don't want to ruin it. But at the same time, you know, people like Okala and some bigger traders, they're gonna push on a day like today. Versus I'm already pumping the brakes. But it's only because I have one account. If I had multiple take profit trader accounts, it would be great. Well, for me, making money on the other accounts doesn't get me any satisfaction, so I don't really care. I only like to make money on take profit trader because it's daily payouts, because it's actual profits, right? Nicely done, Michael. Yeah, start March with a good positive mindset, and that's the best way to go about it. Yeah, that was a beautiful long right there. Hey, screw it. It's an eval. Let's go short. Just keep playing the bounces. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Like lock all the accounts and just focus on couple. I've been good with not blowing my accounts. Once I blow one or two, if I'm copy trading the two, the other accounts don't get affected that same day. So I've been good with that for a while now. Like those two accounts, if I'm losing, yeah, they'll blow. But the other accounts, I will not trade. This is just an eval, so I'm not gonna use a stop. Well, he made it back somehow, Longhorn. I don't know how he made it back. The market barely bounced, but yeah, Clyde, that's the big thing is take profit trader. If I made that point in my recap. If you watched it, as long as I make money in my take profit trader, I don't really care what happens with the other accounts because I make my actual profit and I make my actual paycheck, and that paycheck will pay for all the other accounts if I do happen to have a bad day or whatever. Yeah, Tim, today is basically exactly what I was asking for. Love this chop, and finally, this is just an eval, so maybe I will lose, but I haven't lost in a single trade, and I took probably 10 trades already, all of them. Even the one I stopped out break even would have won. A wire transfer should be 1 day, sometimes even same day to a broker, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about Matt. I'm not a big fan of his attitude. I have a big scratch in my back. Where the hell did I get that from? Like, what is burning me? Niels, thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so this trade I'm not a huge fan of. Like I said before, I prefer to long today, but it's just an eval, so let's have fun with it. Hopefully we could not blow it, because I need my take profit trader to be at 5 pro accounts. But if you guys hit that like button before we end the stream today, the stream will be ending around noon. We'll do an Apex giveaway for 2 evals. So let's see. So now if we add today's take profit trader payout, it's not exactly 1,000, but close. So it would be at 28,500 for the month. If I get approved on Apex, I'm assuming I will, but solid month. And then if I just have a good March, I made $5,000 last year in the first quarter. Right now I'm at 30,000. So as long as I make over $15,000 in March, I will be better off than 2025. Yeah, the hedging is something you guys have to be careful with because that could ruin the accounts. I know it's not on purpose, but it's a mental mistake. All right, this trade's not working out as well. Glad my first loser is on a eval. Yeah, 28K is like not a great month for me, but it's a great month when I'm not trading well. So like January, I didn't make all that much. December, I only made, forget how much I made in December. Do I have it on here? This is my breakdown of 2025. So Apex, I got to do better. I did get $82,000 denied last year, so I got to do better with that. Take one off. There you go. 25-20. Working like a charm. That's a winning trade right there. 15 points. Obviously, this is an eval, so I'm going for a little bit more, but you only had one micro. Well, that's the thing with trading micros is like if you win the trade, you're never happy because it's so small. So the only reason why people trade micros is to manage their risk. So you have to accept that. Basically, I think trading micros is good when it's volatile, and if you're able to just hold on to a pretty big win, or if you're scaling in. If you're scaling in, then obviously you could build a position, so you could have big winners. But if you're trading like one micro the whole time, you can't really make much money unless you have a day like yesterday and you hold. You're not scalping; you're actually holding trades. Then yes, of course you can make. No, Alex, I don't feel like I'm qualified to teach how to trade. My main strategy is my opening range breakout trade, which happens right at 9:30. That's where I make bulk of my money. And when it comes to the intraday trading, I switch things around all the time. I'm bouncing back and forth between a few different things. And right now I'm using our friend's strategy, which is based on the 20 and 80 levels, and it has been working for me really, really well. I'm using my own interpretation of the price action around those levels. I'm not using, I don't even understand how he does it, right? But the levels alone give me confidence to short. I would never, how many times I would long here or look for longs, like take a breakout trade. Now I'm very confident to go short, especially when we're in the range. I should take that off. I mean, just over $1,000 already on an eval. That's plenty. How come we don't trade some accounts? I just don't get around to them. I might trade some accounts right now, actually. If I traded like today, I'll be trading all of them. If I traded every day like I traded today, I would trade all of them. But this week has been tough. Yeah, so the way Ocala trades is a little bit different. Obviously, he's got his stuff kind of mastered and he's very strong mentally. For me, basically, it's tougher. But yesterday, that saved my account. One of my accounts, I was down like $2,000 and then one trade won. And I made like $1,700 or whatever it was. And I ended up being down only like $500 after commissions. Right now on the ORB, this is my ORB copy trader. So 1, 2, 4 PAs, 3 evals on Apex, and 1 eval on Lucid. That's like my ORB for the last couple of weeks. This account, for example, I didn't trade that today because I took it off because this is at payout already. So I just got to flip this account today and then it will be at payout. Now the trick is, right, I am trading pretty well today. Do I try to make a little bit more on this account? Because if I make more on this account, then I get a bigger payout. So right now the payout is almost $1,800. I could take up to $2,250, I believe. So I could make another $400 or $500 on this account and take that money out today. So it's like trading a live account or daily payout account, I should say. However, I'm guaranteeing myself 1767 right now. If I take one more trade and it doesn't work, then what? And this happened to me last week. I had an account, exactly same thing, at $1,700 and I ended up blowing that account. One loss after the next loss. And so I said to myself, next time I have a payout with Apex, I'm just gonna take the money. So I've had it secured. Like, that's the thing with Apex. I don't log in all the time. But yesterday I logged in and looked at it. So I saw that I was 1 day away from payout. So now I know. Like, I would have just traded the account and I would have logged into the Apex website tonight and would have noticed I have an account for a payout. And I would have just taken the payout. But look at that 20 short. Oof. Just fantastico. Can I give you a funded account? No. I don't have any accounts, funded accounts to give away. That doesn't work. Do I stream my ORB? Sometimes. I streamed it today and I streamed it yesterday, so you can watch the beginning of the stream. But I literally get to my desk. Like, you'll see on the stream today when I got to my desk. Like, literally 3 minutes before the open, and I get everything ready. So a lot of times I miss the stream. But I'm going to try to stream it as much as possible. Yeah, we had a bottom tick long here. And then we had a top tick short there, so pretty nice. Before the 80-20 with Ocala, I've been just biased towards the long side, and I try to avoid shorting. So I would miss out on a lot of trades. But today is a great day because today the levels are being respected, and it's choppy in the sense there's enough range. Like, this is 100 points, so there's plenty of range for my trades to work out. But choppy, so the price is moving a little bit slower. It's not crazy. Yesterday, I get in the trade and 2 seconds later, I'm out for a loss. I'm like, I can't even let this trade like work out at all. Even if the trade works, it moves too far beyond my entry for me to not stop out. And I got to stop out, and the trade works out. Like in today's case, right? If I short here at 980, it goes against me a little bit. You have time. You have time to think. Like, all right, How is this price moving? Is it moving straight against me and holding, or is it gonna reject? And it gives you a few extra seconds versus when the market is moving like it was moving yesterday or this whole week pretty much. I did not trade on Wednesday for the most part, so I don't remember what it did on Wednesday, but for the most part, oh well, I actually remember Wednesday because I was in a trade when my computer froze. That was this day, right? 24th? No, 25th. It was here. So I had issues. Beautiful opening range trade. Would have won on the opening range trade, and I had issues with the QUANTOWER. Then I had issues with the computer. So I didn't get logged on to my computer till around here somewhere. Like 20, 25 minutes after the open. I placed a short order at 280. So on Apex, I couldn't trade. So I tried Take Profit Trader and I just pressed the button. I'm like, you know what? 280, it's so far away from the open price. It's not going to get there. So I placed an order at 280 and it went against me. $1,600, $1,700. So yeah, I was kind of pissed off and I ended up working out of the trade here. Luckily, I made $1,000 and I said, you know what? I'm done. And I scheduled a lesson for golf and I went away. I did not trade the rest of the day. I was so frustrated. I didn't want to keep trading and stay frustrated that day. But yeah, the market just been so crazy was what I was talking about. And, you know, the accuracy wasn't that high versus today. I keep winning every trade. And I wish I could just be aggressive. Is my ORB trade based on pre-market price action? Not really. No, it's more based on the open price. So basically, there could be like a small range. And I use a tighter time frame. I use a 30-second chart. Today, the trade was here. Well, I guess in the first 30 seconds. So basically, I look for the market to make a, like this is a 30-second candle. But within that candle, there's a lot of things that are happening once it opens. So like this candle moved up, made a wick, pulled back, and I was going to go long if that candle made a new high, and it did, and I ended up getting out. The only thing I was cautious about was the 20 level. This 20 level was playing a little bit of a factor here. So the market opened right here, pulled back a tiny bit and ripped, and we're above the 20 level. So it made a wick, and I got to look at my Apex accounts to see where the entry actually was. Nope, that's not it. Which account did I trade? 586. Right here. That's the trade right there. It takes about 3 seconds. I made $400. I have not lost on this trade in a long time. Knock on wood. Oh, all right. So what else can we trade? Can we try to pass some of these evals? I need $110 on this eval. 847. So let's try to pass that. Let's try to pass that. So we need $110, which is 23 ticks. Yeah, because 22 ticks would be $110, and then commissions another tick. Let's go short at the top. Do I enter with the bracket order? Yeah, well, with the bracket as in I place a trade. You can watch the beginning of the stream, but yeah, it's I have a stop loss and a take profit order. So it's the same thing as this, except this would be a long. So I go in the direction of the move. Instead of counter. All right, guys, hit that like button. Let's do this giveaway. I am gonna change the stream to subscribers only though, because too many people are using their alternate accounts and entering the giveaways 10 times. No, I'm not helping you. You did nothing to deserve help. Sorry. To be brutally honest. What a bad day for me. What happened, Patrick? You should not be trading if you don't have any money. Let's start with that. So I'll be giving into bad habits. If you have no money, you should not be trading. That's as simple as that. Fortunately, prop firms, well, it's good and bad, but prop firms made it easier to trade, but trading always required capital. Let's go, Ezra. Let's go. So take profit trader, another 1K payout. Do I go for a full payout though? I still have an order ready for an eval. I don't know what. I think it was at 920, I guess. Got missed there. I'm gonna try to pass this eval. We need $110. All right, guys. You guys ready? Hit that like button though. We need more likes. We need more likes. I will not do a giveaway for less than 150 likes. Just so you know. If we don't get to 150 likes, we're canceling the giveaway, and Miss K takes the evals. I'm not sure what to do. Don't want to overthink it. This 80 level hasn't been playing out that well currently in this sequence. It broke it down. Here, and now it's kind of popping through it. Just need 23 ticks to pass this eval here on Apex. Kind of just gonna force it there, but see what happens. Could have had that 80 long, but just too slow. So we're gonna do a giveaway for 2 Apex evals to 1 lucky person. One lucky person will get 2 Apex evals.
Take profit, Alpines on the rise.
How did I not get filled?
Candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Wake up chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them ticks, keep the setup clean. Apex funding, wrist tight, I'm in.
Another eval pass. This eval took a long time. Let's see how many days it actually took to pass. 1 day passing is kind of over for me. Unless it's 50Ks. Days traded, guys. Who could guess how many days it took? How many days did it take to pass this eval? Who could guess? First person to guess will get 3 entries. I'll give you 3 total entries into the qualification round. Oh, Benjamin. Benjamin with 11. Took 11 days. So Benjamin, you get 3 extra entries into the qualification round. So today is day number 11. Day number 10. So one more day, 11 days to pass this eval. See? ORB. Passed it on the ORB. All right, so congrats to Benjamin. He was the first one to guess correctly at 11. So he gets 3 extra entries into the main qualification round, which is going to have, I'm assuming, around 200, 250 cars. And then top 20 out of that will qualify into the main race. Obviously, Ben, you can only qualify once into the main race. But so if you happen to be in the top 20 twice, we'll obviously skip. But I think it's still fair. What a day, guys. Can't lose a trade today. Probably should call it a day because just can't lose a trade. What a beautiful chop. Beautiful chop in the 80-20 range. Think of beauty. I know a lot of people hate this, but I don't. Should we trade on the PA account? I got 3 more PA accounts to trade. One is pretty much, I gotta add that PA account to ORB because this PA account is kind of halfway to death. Sorry, guys. All right, so giveaway will be at 11:45. 11:45. Ten more minutes. The range is definitely getting tighter and tighter. I gotta trade on my TRADEIFY accounts. I think I have one account on TRADEIFY. Let me see. Oh wait, I'm like, I don't even know what account this is. What's this account? Can we pass this? Eval, consistency. Oh, it's select. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I hate these accounts. That's a select account. I gotta make $4,000 now instead of 25. I keep doing this to myself. This is the second time I've done that. On take profit. I mean on TRADEIFY. No, I don't trade ORB off my phone. I don't copy trade on my phone. If I want to trade ORB off my phone, I would stream my desktop on my phone and use QUANTOWER. I would not trade on TRADEIFY. I don't know how that would even work. Last time I took a loss on the ORB, I don't remember. I don't think it's been recent. Definitely not recently. No. We could take a look on Apex. Account history. Let's see. What account do I trade with the ORB? We gotta check basically what account I trade with the ORB, and then let's see. 586. How is 586 looking? 10 days. Oh yeah, I did lose recently. Yeah, the 18th. Wednesday, the 18th, I think. Let me just confirm. 586, 582. Trying to confirm it because the other accounts are green. 570. I guess the 18th would be. But then how would I pass this eval? 847. How would I pass this eval? I don't know. I think the 18th would be my line. Let's check the stream. I think that's the easiest way. Even though I don't have dates, I don't think. Do I? Oh, I do. 20. Oh, I didn't lose on the ORB. Okay. So see, this account was red. And that's the leader account, but I don't think I lost on the ORB. Looks like I won on the ORB. No, I lost. Can't tell. I don't know. And I like that because then I'm not too worried about the 12th. Looks like I lost on the 12th. Looks like I lost this day. Let's see what I did. Let's see what I could see what I did wrong here. So this is February 12th. Market's about to open in 15 seconds. Yeah, I missed it there, and I should have just not traded it. I missed the opening range trade. Was pretty good there, but I just moved so fast. So now I should be off trigger, waiting for this candle to make a new high at 360, and then if it makes continuous highs, then I get in. But what my vision here was that if oh, I got missed by a couple of ticks there. That's unfortunate. So it wouldn't have worked no matter what. Damn, I was trading a lot of funded accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, actually 5. But yeah, that was a loss. I think that was the last loss I might have had. Not bad. Stop is 3 times the take profit? Yes. For me, yeah. Got 3 minutes on the giveaway, guys. 3 minutes. How do you not run into MAE violations with the losses? Because I trade a 150K account and you could lose $1,500. So when I lose $1,200, I don't violate the rule. That's one of the main reasons why I trade 150K accounts as well. That makes sense. On a 150K, I mean, on a 50K account, I could trade 2 contracts. And that would be fine-ish because it's $400 per contract. So I would have to make the risk like 75 ticks. Do I have a code for bull knocks? Yes, it's Alpine, but the promo expired. So there's no promo right now. Oh, wait. So final warning for the giveaway. Make sure we have 150 likes, guys. We need 150. Oh, we have 200 likes. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're selling off here. Maybe take a trade on another eval. What do you guys think? Should we try? Actually, let's do a maybe LUCID eval or bull knocks funded. Let's do bull knocks funded. Why not? Why the hell not? Gotta be a little careful. I cancel that. Take profit trader. We don't want to just sell off here like straight down and get caught. So gotta be a little bit mindful of this. All right, you guys ready? Let's do it. Giveaway in 30 seconds. When that clock strikes at 11:47, I'm closing. And we're going to copy all the names. We're going to copy all the names. And all the names will go into the main race. Members will get second entries. And Benjamin gets 4 entries. All righty. Thanks for entering, guys. Thanks for entering. All right. All the names are in. I'm going to copy and paste. 313 names. The giveaway is closed, guys. All right, I got the members. So we're going to do the first race is going to be skiing race. We're going to ski down the hill, and the top 20 will enter into the main car race. Okay, so members get 2 entries, and Benjamin gets 4 entries. So Benjamin gets 3 extra entries, 4 total for guessing. I'm just having ChatGPT clean up the names, guys. ChatGPT does work for us. So the usernames are clean. But yes, the giveaway is closed. My goodness. So many names. All right, so we have the members in. We got Benjamin, and now the rest of you. Everyone else in the race. All right, so we're gonna do 1 minute and 30 seconds for the qualification round. We're gonna set, and we're gonna shuffle 3 times. Now mute the volume because this likes to give me copyright strikes. Stupid music. And good luck. So top 20. Elmi, I'll just add you to the main race. It's fine. I'll make the exception for members. Members always get a little privilege here at Alpine. I'll add you to the race, Elmi. Don't worry. You got lucky. Sometimes it's better to be late to the party. Top 20 will qualify for the main race. We'll see who is going to do it. Golf is getting ready. He's getting ready for the main race. Don't worry, guys. He'll be here. Chill Effects in the lead. Ninja Scalp and Mike A pushing forward. Again, this is just for top 20. And the winner will get an extra entry into the main event. So they will get 2 cars. That's the rules. The winner of this race gets a extra entry. So 2 entries instead of 1. Here they go. The final stretch. Now it's really steep. They're going really fast. Rodri in the lead. Mo taking the lead. Oh my goodness. Mo is flying. However, can he hold on as everyone is pushing? Everyone's pushing. Oh, Mav. It looks like Mav with the victory. All right, so top 20. We got Mav, we got Hope, we got Mo, we got Greed Tablet, we got Chill Effects, we got Jason, we got Crypto Crob, Nomadic, Aspirant Trader, Neil, Gonzaga, Always Wrenching, DeWalt, C-Focus, Donna H, Ninja Scalp, Trader007NQ, Super Say, Cray, Mac, Elaine G, and Elmi. Elmi will be in the race because we like Elmi. All right, let's clean up the usernames again. This time it's going to be Car Race. My name was nowhere to be found. Yeah, fell apart. Feel that. Mike, nope. You gotta hit the slopes more often, buddy. It's not that easy. We got some Olympic athletes in the chat. Jason, freaking from Canada over there, freaking skiing since he was 7 months old. Right here. All right, so poor Ben. Ben had 4 entries and he didn't make it into the finals. And I'll add myself, and if I win, we'll run one more giveaway for everyone. All right, so you got to cheer me on. If I win, we're going to rerun the giveaway for everyone. All right, 2 evals on the line. 2 evals on the line. Porsche will not get anything extra because I don't have anything extra to give. But if I win, we'll rerun the race for everyone all over again, and then the winner will take the prize. Let's set the grid. We're gonna shuffle the grid. Not that it matters because Porsche is not getting anything extra. We got 2 minutes on the clock. We got 2 Apex evals on the line. Alpine is in here somewhere. Where's Alpine? Can we see Alpine? This maybe might be here. So yeah, if I win, everyone else is back in. So cheer me on, boys and girls. All right, I'm gonna take a break. Golfy's gonna take over, and good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon on this lovely Friday, day before Mama Alpine's birthday. So we got a busy weekend ahead. We got 22 cars in the field today, battling for Apex evaluations. Who is it going to be? I heard Alpine's in the race as well. Hope he doesn't crash because he's got to pay me for doing this. All right, here we go. Where is he? I can't see him. He's somewhere, but I can't see. Oh, wait, I see him. Wait, is he in a Bugatti? He bought a Bugatti before he got me a raise? Scam. Oh, wait, no, he's a McLaren. He's a broke boy. He ain't got no Bugatti. Got an old McLaren. All right, here we go. We got Elmi, last minute entry at the bottom. Tightly packed field. No one is staying back. Everyone is just trying to stay ahead enough, but not too far ahead. They know once you get ahead, your car overheats, and it's just no bueno. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Oh, Alpine. Remember, guys, if Alpine wins, we race again. That means I make more money because I got to work overtime, and you guys all get a chance to win. But here we go, 20 seconds. Everyone's going to hit that boost button, and everyone's going to go flying. Oh, look at that Bugatti, car number 11. That's what I thought Alpine was driving, but that's not the case. Oh my goodness, is that Bugatti going to hold on to the lead right from the get-go, from the 20-second mark? There's no way. That never happens. Gonzaga, M8X. Wow. That never happens. It's like the NQ this week. Just rips it off the gates and does not stop. Gonzaga, congratulations. You are now an owner of 2 Apex evals, so you are one step closer to payout. I'll see you all on Monday for members giveaway. Member Mondays. Alright guys, good luck for the rest of the day. Alpine's gonna take over. And I know Alpine's going skiing later, so he's not gonna stay around for too long, but... Oh yeah, here we go. Good luck.
Wow, what a race. Gonzaga with a boost at 20 seconds and just stayed in the lead. I had no shot. I was trying. My car got stuck in 5th gear and it wouldn't go to 6th. I don't know. It's rigged. Someone was playing around with my gearbox. We might have to get FIA involved. Pine Tree, your dad's birthday's tomorrow? Nice. Was your dad born on the 28th? My mom was born on the 29th. My mom's a leap year baby. Mm-hmm. My email is it's my mom's birthday, not mine. We're celebrating on Sunday, not tomorrow. She's working tomorrow, so I got work too. So I'm gonna hang out another 10 minutes or so. We're gonna say our goodbyes. We're gonna calculate everything we've made. I haven't lost a trade today, which is quite an accomplishment compared to the rest of the week. And couldn't be happier about it, to be honest. The 20s did not get tested. I would like to get one trade on this damn Bullnox account to get it started. Golf is off the clock, so he could do whatever he wants now. Do I want to short these 20s? I feel like we got to break out eventually. I mean, we've been testing this for a lot of testing it like 5 times already, so I don't know if we're gonna get a breakout or not. Kind of sketch to go short. But true test is only once, actually. I'll leave the order out. If we'll see what happens. I mean, it's just ball knocks. To get a full payout on ball knocks, I would need $400 a day for 10 days in a row. So we gotta make more money. Couple of days. So that way we could just take one trade a day and get a winner. A couple of times we need to make a little bit more. Where are my wedges? I ordered wedges. They're supposed to come in. I want to hit some wedges before I go skiing. I should also record a recap, actually. I did get your email, yes. I should do a recap today. So maybe I'll end the stream, do a recap, and then go. Just send you the codes. The codes work for any size evals, so I would go with bigger evals just to get, you know, better bang for your buck. But do as you wish. Wow, just got missed. Just saw that. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I don't like how these candles are moving now. Something's going on here. We get a breakout. We'll end the stream after this trade. I'll just do a recap. And the market's moving pretty slow now. That 15-point target seems like far away. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of if we break out here. But let's see what it does, and then we'll call it a day. I mean, it's going to be a great day no matter what. I gotta flip my Apex account. Let me not forget. Let me flip it now. Flip Apex. Imagine I forgot to flip it. I'll be so mad. Because then I wouldn't get the payout for February. It would be for March. About to get stopped out. Yep, stopped out. First loss of the day. Perfect time to call it a day. MNQ. I don't want to lose any money though. $30 is $30. This is money from my payout. Okay, broke even on that. $2.48. All right, guys, that's it. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, payout approvals with Apex take forever lately, so I'm not gonna count on that for a while. But I always go based on when I request. I don't go based on when it's approved or when I get the money. I just go based on the calendar in the dashboard, which is the day I request. If I request it today, that's gonna be a February payout, no matter when I get it. That's just how I always done it. I'll keep you guys posted on how long it takes. But yeah, first red trade of the day was here, and unfortunately, top tick that bastards. Bastards got me good. Wow, that's frustrating. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys on the recap. I'm gonna do a quick recap now, and gonna go skiing. I'm going skiing, so I want to beat the. Look at this. Look at this sell off. Oh, just too tight of a stop. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Not a good way to end. All right, guys. I'll see you on the recap. Take care, and God bless you all. Good job in February. Let's get to March.